Hi, friends. It's Mrs. McCarver, and it's time for today's reading lesson. Today, we're going to talk a little bit more about our nonfiction books. Remember, a nonfiction book is a book that you can learn from. It is informational or it might teach us something. So, today I have a new nonfiction book. It's called Honeybees. First, I want to review some of the things we've already learned to do with our nonfiction books. Well, like I just said, we learned and we know that we can learn new facts. That means sometimes there are things I already know about a topic. I already know some things about honeybees. But today, when I read this book, I'm going to look for new facts, the things that I did not know. And we can use those facts that we learned to determine the main topic. The main topic is what the book is all about. And then today, what we're going to focus on are what are the key details. So let me review again. We know we can learn new facts. We can think about how those facts go together to figure out the main topic. And today, we're going to talk about the key details. The key details are things that are really important that we are learning, the facts or information that is really important. Sometimes we learn things that's not quite as important. So we need to think about and decide what facts are we learning that are the most important or the key details. So let me show you an example of this with my book, Honeybees. All right, so this is my book, Honeybees. And I know a little bit about honeybees. That's an insect that I've seen around my house before. But today when I'm reading, I'm going to really try to pay attention to the key details, the things that are most important that I'm learning. So here's my first page, and it says, honeybees have stripes. Oh, I can see all these bees here. And there I see the stripes, the yellow and black stripes. That might be something you already knew. When I look at this picture, I see that the honeybee is in the air. He's flying. When I read the words, it says, honeybees have 2 antennas. Okay, so let me think about that. One thing I learned or might have noticed is that honeybees fly. But what's more important on these pages is that the honeybee has 2 antennas. They even pointed it out in the picture. That's a key detail. Let's keep going. When I look at the picture, I might have learned something like honeybees like flowers. Now let me read the words. Honeybees have 4 wings. So the key detail in this is that they have 4 wings. I noticed that they're on the flower and they like flowers, but what's more important or a key detail is that they have 4 wings. Now I'm going to read one more page, and I want you to pay close attention, and I want you to decide what is the key detail. All right, well, when I look at the picture, I'm seeing that honeybees, they have eyes. Here's an eye, here's an eye. Okay. Now let me read it. Honeybees have 5 eyes. Ooh. So the first thing I noticed is that honeybees have eyes, but then when I read it, I heard that honeybees have 5 eyes. Think about which one of those is a key detail, and when you go to the next video, I'm going to ask you about that.